Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Ethereum is coming down further. In the previous video today I said that one more low is likely. We've seen that one more low. It seems to be stretching out a little bit further. That is at the moment not a problem for Ethereum. It isn't, because Ethereum can come down all the way to 1446 and it can still be a wave 4 without a problem. Yeah, so the overall scenario here for Ethereum has not changed at all. We haven't even reached the 38.2 retracement yet, which is at 1480, and we are still quite far away from the 50% retracement at 1446. Only below that level this wave count will get challenged, and we have to question it really. But until then, I'm going to go with this count. Next support levels, as I just said, 1480. That is the 38.2 retracement. I think there's a good chance to actually get there. I mean, we've already come very close anyway. That is normally the ideal target for a wave 4. And if we lose this level, I think the 50% retracement is likely. Going below that, possible of course, can't currently see it, but it's possible. Then we would have the next support at 1411 and then 1362. Already below the 50% retracement, I mean, we have to challenge and question the bullish scenario. There is still another chance. I mean, we could see this as a 1-2 setup, another 1-2 setup, because but that is always a bit difficult and tricky. Ideally, and that would be best for this chart now, just to rally through from here in another fifth wave of 3, then a wave 4 down and a wave 5 up. So looking at this at the moment, we are in a wave. We are in a support. We're in a support area. We've got 2 more highs to do, in my opinion, and we could come into the region. Yeah, I mean, next high, I talked about it, around 1640, 1660 is sort of my current view here of wave 4, 5 of 3, and then this will go even higher, so maybe around the $1,700 range to complete this wave 1 in yellow. That's sort of currently my view. We have currently still this bullish pattern on the chart that is unchanged. Let me take the fibs out and we can see that still. And the view is that we started here at 1195. That was the low where we said for the first time in a while that the uptrend could have started, which was here then with a wave 1, then here a wave 2 down, now the wave 3 to the upside. We are in this third wave still. There will be a 4 down and a 5 up. That would only complete a higher degree wave 1. So that is still very much the beginning of a larger 5 wave move to the upside. And in this third wave we've done, and let me zoom in first. We've done here wave 1, we've done wave 2, we've probably done wave 3. We're now in the 4th wave, ABC, pretty much towards the end of that 4th wave, I think, yeah. And then there should be this 5th wave to the upside to complete the higher degree wave 3. All of that would be embedded in this larger structure. I probably have to go to the 4-hour chart to show you that. And yep, so that would be here, yeah, be embedded in this larger 5 wave move to the upside, which is part of a wave 3 up there, yeah, can take us into the region around $3,000. Here wave 1 up, wave 2 down, wave 3 up, 4 down, 5 up. Excited about today, what's going to happen if there is some volatility, because today is the PCE index publication. So in around about half an hour from when I record this video, you will get the PCE data. Maybe when you see the video, when you watch the video, you'll already have the data. We've already had some volatility. I don't necessarily expect too much volatility, yeah, because in my opinion, from experience, most volatility you see normally during the CPI data release, which is earlier in the month. And normally, you know, based on CPI, you can already make some conclusions about PCE. So there's normally not, it is a very important metric, but it's normally not, it is the Fed's favorite metric, but it's not normally creating that degree of volatility. And CPI is normally more in the focus because it's published earlier in the month. But yeah, this is still an important day, and we are obviously in a possible uptrend, so it is highly interesting to see what's going to happen. At the moment, expectation though doesn't change, so it can always distort waves, you know, this stuff. Therefore, personally, you know, I've just entered and I made the channel members aware, I've just entered some buy limit orders just to be covered in case it drops and then goes up. So I always tend to, on days like that, when I do this rarely, you know, because there is this degree of uncertainty, but I don't mind. I made some nice profits in the last few days and weeks from some nice profit taking. So if I get stopped out, that's fine, you know, but I moved the stop loss a bit further away to give it a bit more space. That's the point I try to make on days like these, because there can be some distortion of waves and it can lead to additional volatility. So I don't really mind, and it's only a small position anyway. So it's a more risky one. I don't really mind it because I took some ETH profits, took some Aave profits, took some Chili's profits, took some Quant profits. All of them are now below my profit taking price. So I'm happy to you know, sort of be a bit more take a bit more risk here today, and the ETH chart gives me quite a bit of confidence at the moment. Let's see if this actually works out. So but yeah, that is the view, and all of this is embedded in this larger 5-wave pattern to the upside that we can see here on this chart. Yeah, still expectation that this was the large wave 1. I don't expect at the moment to see the 880 level again. That was the June low. Of course it could happen, but at the moment I don't expect it, not primarily. But again, as well, we are far away from confirming a bottom for ETH, but we're much closer to confirming a bottom for ETH than, for example, we are for Bitcoin to confirm a bottom. So the Ethereum chart is currently doing what it's supposed to be doing. So it gives confidence, right? So that's important to mention. And at the moment, I don't see us getting to that 880 level again. Of course, it can happen. Anything can happen. And that's why taking profits along the way is always so important. My next larger scaling in price or area will be this wave 2 low. Yeah, but to calculate the area for that, I first need to see the wave 1 as complete, and we haven't done that yet. Yeah, we're still 1 or 2 highs away from doing that, and then I will be able to complete a calculation for wave 2 and will let you know, of course. Okay, that's my update about Ethereum. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.